Good morning, YouTube. We are about to go and do some shopping because I decided we're going to install this sink. So, well, maybe not, because I need to go to the place. I need to get a gray water tank built so it fits under my sink. It's just going to be a small one. Yeah, very small. I think it's 10 inches by 5 inches by 18 inches. I want it to fit underneath my underneath the sink. People told me just run the drain right out the floor, and I'm like, I can't do that because if I'm in town or something like this, that's not very cool. So what I thought was, I don't use a lot of water. I'll drain it into the gray water tank, small water tank, and then I will dump it where it's supposed to be dumped through the floor there. So we're gonna take off and go check out this place, Industrial Plastics, and see if they can help me. So let's get going. So this is Industrial Plastics and Paints. They do all different kind of modifications and build all different things with plastics. My phone is about to die, so I'm leaving you guys here in the car, and you're gonna charge my battery. Thanks, guys. I'll be back. Well, I'll be. The sun is looking like it's gonna make an appearance today. I went into that place, Industrial Plastics, and they happened to have one that was very close to the dimensions I wanted. So they're gonna drill in 3 holes, one for input, one for output, and one for a venting system. And then I have to go buy the plumbing parts for it. So that's what I'm doing right now. We're heading up to Home Depot. It. Home Depot. That's a cool looking little Grumman, eh? So yeah, we're here at Home Depot, and again, you have to sit in the car and wait because I got like maybe 20% of my battery, and I'm just gonna leave you guys here to charge. Sorry guys, I'm pretty sure we'll be back one day. For now, enjoy. I'm gonna have to go over and check that out. I was meeting a friend of mine at a coffee shop up here. We have a coffee shop here on Vancouver Island. It's called Serious Coffee. And their motto is, we take our coffee serious. Anyways, I'm gonna head there. I'm gonna meet up with a friend of mine and have a little bite to eat, and then I gotta get back to work on this plumbing adventure. Yeah, I'll grab a coffee and then you can buy me lunch when I get here. It's a quaint little place. My lunch date. Why do all my friends drive vans? Oh, that's right. Van life. Anyways, we're gonna have lunch. Check this beast out, eh? This is a Ford Sportsmobile. Let's go have a look inside. Oh, look it. Hi, Molly.
Got the
Wow, this almost looks like a Volkswagen. Oh, that thing is mean. So remember that bus we just looked at before getting here? I just saw it. It's coming here. The Clay Santa bus. I don't know if they're on YouTube or if they're on Instagram. But they're just going to be parking up the road here because they're doing the laundry. So I'm going to go have a chit chat. Like, look at this thing. I think it's got everything you ever need. And it's an old Thomas bus. Looks like military, possibly. Hey? Oh, TikTok's the way to go, I hear, nowadays. I'm on, So, yeah, nice little chit chat. That was Matt and Emily in the Clay Santa bus. Check them out on Instagram. And I think they're trying to make a TikTok too. So, yeah, there's 8 months. They built this thing out and they've been on the road for 8 months. And they're from the interior of BC. It looks like they're having fun. I only had to stop at 3 different places to find 3/4 inch drain hose. But the problem is I need a foot and I can only, the smallest amount I could buy, or the largest, no, anyways, the only amount I could buy was 10 footers. That was the smallest. So if anybody needs some 3/4 inch hose, let me know. Anyways, just kidding. I'm heading back to the shop. Let's go. You waiting for me, puppy? Oh boy. Wow. Who's that handsome guy? Goldberg, did you get a haircut? You're sure handsome, buddy. Look at you. You smell so good. Look how handsome you are. Yeah. Did Mutts and such give you a good haircut? Yeah? Wasn't Michelle just a great girl? Do you like her? She's your very own hairstylist for the last 10 plus years. Yeah. Thanks, Michelle, for helping Goldberg to maintain his handsomeness. Especially after our mishap with the Verathane, eh, buddy? Do you feel better? Yeah? There you go, boy. Okay, go lie down. Go lie down. Go. Get going. Well, good morning, everybody. I put one more coat on there because I tried to install the kitchen sink and it wasn't quite dry. So when I drilled the holes, the sawdust went and hit the tacky stuff, and let's just say I had to do another sand and put a 6th coat on there. I don't think you can ever put enough everything onto a wood. Anyways, hopefully today we can get all that installed. I have all the hose and hardware, and we start installing this. But, you know what they say. Actually, I don't know who they are. But, they said, one thing at a time, Brent. Do what you can do. And, yeah, everything will come together. So, let's get at it. So, I bought this. It's a gray water tank. Measured everything, put it in here. I was going to get a custom tank. But then, I misread the dimensions and it's gonna be really tight, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, hang on. Well, it's in. Not in, but it's ready. I'm starting to figure out what I'm going to do with my sink. I add this to it, and then basically you run a hose from here to back there using this. Okay. This is a little Mickey Mouse, but we're gonna make it work. Just adding a little bit of this good old Gorilla Glue to my plastic tank because I need it as close as possible because everything's too high. So I'm gonna fit that right in there like that. Check that out. Oh, that's a mini home. I don't know if I introduced you to Mr. Goldberg here with the haircut. Oh. He thought he was going to get attention. Well, I'm sorry. We're cleaning up around here. And the fire's going. But check this out. I know. Some of you want to watch this process. But trust me, Goldberg hasn't been helping me out being the cameraman. We're adding a little, nice little rope in there. Buddy? Hey? When are you going to learn how to use a camera? So, yeah, I'm just going to clean up a little bit more around here, and then we'll do some organizing tomorrow. I'm pretty close to finishing up, and just got a few boxes I need to build, and then I'll be like roadworthy traveling, so I need to go on a trip. So anyways, I'll talk at you soon.